So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richard Cut Professional. And this time we bought like healthy silky straight hair, again butterfly layers, which is the first time going to get a haircut, something like new experience for my this model. So she have a concern with something like long layers, apart from that bounciness will remains and must be visible like very much stylish, and it will be hair look like it's so much of volume and flexibility. So these are the requirements she kept it in front of me. So according that we choose something like long butterfly layers for a silky hair. So as you see in the thumbnail also it's clearly mentioned, and we're going to be start with the same, remain the same long butterfly layers. And this is today we're going to be exciting things on the first time in new haircut transformations. Let's get us started with complete of the haircut. Before get a dive into the haircut videos, please, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and do watch my all related videos. You'll comes to know exactly how was done with multiple haircuts, techniques, each and everything. If you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So as you see, with all the sections got separate, and this back section we're going to be just taking as separating very soon. And after that we'll start about like something explain help up to the comb also. So this is basic things with any haircut you can just take with that detangling, and proper combing is majorly important for a long hair. So after that I'm help up to the comb, I'm going to be explain with exactly all the haircut sections how we're going to be take care after that. So finally we started with one line basic for beginning, so which can be visible very significant role performing, which carry forward entire haircut in a guideline. So remember guys, this is a major concern, so which we're going to be take care of to the complete of the haircut session, how it will going to carry forward. So watch till the end, you will comes to know exactly haircut was how it will be comes out and outlook. And also see the before presentation is completely looking like mesmerizing, amazing layers and all. After the one line basic, we just giving to as bottom layers, which can taking as elevations purpose to the layering guidelines. So that's before regards, we just saving the length purpose, we just giving to the bottom layer. And after that we just occipital bone to the crown area, we just release next sections and just giving to the elevation of the direct layering techniques. You can just going to be seen in the step by step in that. This is the concept of the butterfly layers, how we're going to be take care of it, and small guideline with splitting and rest of the hair plating and just separating in that. And after that we just going to be release the crown portions, and guideline also we released it, and just all the section, the back section, the second section got released. The center profile as I take, and the guideline I'm picking up now, and that guideline has to be going to be key role performing, which can be carry forward entire the elevation of the layering techniques. So after that step by step I'm just giving to the layering elevations over all the hair, the thin section I'm just picking and cutting it overall. That I'm cross checking. So again I'll come to another side. In that I'm stationary guiding from the previous side, and rest of the hair going to be add the layers. After that I'm cross setting that too. So finally come to the side portions. Before start the layering, just giving to the one line basic. to be carry forward the previous hair guidelines, we just taking as and just giving to the one length basic, which can be concerned for the previous hairlines, and saving the length, and apart from that add the layers. After that, stationary guideline pick from the back and rest of the hair merging in step by step in layers elevations, thin sections. So one side is got finished, I come to another side, same technique we're going to carry forward. After that, stationary guideline pick from the back and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. After that, I'm just release the crown portion, and now in that the stationary guideline pick from the exactly the crown and just giving as in 90-degree layers, and this slightly with overlapping with all the hair exactly pushing toward the center of the crown, and all hair adding in one place and merging in layers. That one more section going to be finished, last section. After that, I'll come to another side. The last section. After that, I'm cross checking and previous side too. And finally, I'm going to release the fringe. Before the giving to the fringes existing length, I just cut it off, unwanted length. And after that, just taking as a front guideline, just adding rest of the hair merging in the fringes, the long fringes. The thin section is just going to be finished. So as you see, the cut got finished, and finally I'll start to the blow dry. The blow dry is one of the best way to think, which can be given perfectly finishing and given to the as is up layer exposures and visible very clear and flexibly. This is really helpful for the any haircut you can just take. It will be one of the best techniques I used to do with kind of hairstyles. Spiral blow dry with any kind of hair, it will really suits, and even inwards and outwards, and flip out the layers, anything you can just take. It's really good for to do it. Carry forward with styling techniques which can be give nice finishing and visible, very flexible and clean, and multiple ways you can just change on the end of the day of the hair stylings even after the cut and styling. After that, I'll come to another side. After that, I'll come to the side portion. After that, I'll come to another side. So finally, I'll come to the crown portion. So that the final fringe section will going to be finished, the cut, complete update, blow dry techniques. After that, I'm just releasing with complete of the hair. That you can just see complete of the layers was flowing very clean and neat, and looking was pretty much shine and flexible layers. It's overall the ultimate layers was visible top to bottom, each and everything is got connected. So this is called the transformation of the haircut techniques after complete of the butterfly long layers. So hope you all are enjoyed the video and like to this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button. Now we're turning into the front. You can just see completely the visibility of haircut ambience was really good, and looking was clean, and finishing was very posh, and the looking was very bouncy look, and was pretty much nice on the layers. It was looking very shiny and flexible on it. So this is called a concept of the consistency, which can be just keeping with complete of butterfly layers. And the significant key role may be performance, which is called the guidelines, is a majorly impact on the complete of the haircuts. So remember guys, small key techniques which is can be given success after the complete of the finishing of long layers. So hope you all understand. I hope you do these techniques with your haircut models also. And after that, I'm just started to do with styling. I'm just giving with the finishing purpose. The layer can be long lasting and also look so clean and neat. For that's the regards we just giving to the texture. The texture is really key roles which can be performing something like flexible layers even after the wash without even styling. So remember, after the haircut is majorly needed, the like texture finishing, the haircut can be take care after the carry forward and look so clean and neat finishing. So hope you all are enjoyed the video and really understand this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please comments below. I'll definitely elaborate in that. The last the crown section, the two sections going to be finishing the texture. The one more section. So this is got completely texture got finished, and the fringe we just going to be add the texturing in the last section, and the haircut will be going to be visible to the as presentation we bought. So this is a complete of the haircut finishing, and hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We will be meet up to the next different subject. Until take care and be safe.